Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify coming soon page. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you need to do is just need to click on apps right here. Now under the apps, you just need to search in here for Pagefly. So in here, you can search in here for Pagefly and you can see this Pagefly landing page builder. So click on that specific app and then this will redirect you to this app store of Shopify. Now click on install right here. Then once you have click on install, it will actually redirect you to the Shopify page itself where it will ask for permission in order to integrate this specific app on your Shopify dashboard admin. Now in here, you can see that it's asking for permission, so just click on install right here. And once you have done that, it will actually install itself with the apps page of your Shopify. Now, as you can see, the Pagefly builder has been added to our apps right here, and we can now see the dashboard right here once it's properly loaded. So here's the dashboard. You can watch your intro video. You can create your first page, enable analytics, and your optimization. So what you can do is you can actually head over and see that they have also some support channels as well as this enriched customer experience and all of these things right here. Now, what you can do is you can head over to pages and then under this pages, you can click on this create from template. So click on this one. Then in here, you have the option to click on password. So click on password right here. And then from here, you should be able to see this pixel coming soon right here. You can also choose this as well as this under construction or this orthos right here. We are in progress as well as this one. So all of these things right here, it is just 4 out of 129 templates that they have. So you can actually just select what template you want. So for me, I'll just choose this pixel coming soon. I have selected the effect. Then as you can see this, what it will look like for my page. So I recommend you to actually enable UI optimization. Click on this one, and this will enable the UI for this. Now we can see what it will look like right here. You can actually change this countdown number if you want. It can be changed through coding if you want also. So from in here, you can see that we have this page. So let's name this coming soon. And then in here, we need to actually save this right here. So click on save and then click on save again. And then as you can see, it will take some time to load in order to save this process. So we can also enable auto saving if you want. So click on enable and then click on publish right here. And this is what the title page will look like. And this is the page URL. So click on publish right here. And in here, once it's done publishing, you can click on publish again because they only have one preset for the page file. So let's just wait for this. And once it's done publishing, we can now click on this freebie right here in order to see what it looks like on your actual screen. So this is what it looks like right here. They have an opening soon. We can actually give that their email and they have here the countdown right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.